Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is June 17th, 2023, and I'm going to discuss gold and silver. Let's start with gold. At last, a long-anticipated breakdown of an 8-month major rising trend line took place. I discussed in my previous videos that gold largely bottomed. However, another $5 to $10 decline from recent low, standing at $1932 level, could potentially produce a false breakdown, shaking out remaining weak hands. On June 15th, gold started to break the rising trend line. However, there was no panic sell-off, which usually happens when such a long-term trend line breaks. It was rather a contained sell-off, which hinted that it was going to be a false breakdown. Upon breakdown, some investors immediately closed their open positions that were likely underwater. Others sold, both in anticipation of lower prices. That day, gold declined as low as $1,925, lower by $7 from the recent low. I issued a post suggesting that a false breakdown to propel gold to all-time high very soon. Anyhow, within hours, buyers stepped in and pushed gold back above the major support line. That last attempt by sellers to drive gold price significantly lower failed, which means that sellers are losing their grip. Usually, false breakdowns end up with strong moves in opposite direction. Let's switch to a monthly chart. Note that towards the end of 2022, gold formed a false breakdown at the lower band of a 2-year channel, which resulted in a strong move in the opposite direction, testing the upper band. Also note that the monthly chart of June is starting to look very bullish. Gold price tested May's low, forming a bullish pattern. Let's drop the time frame. For the last 4 weeks, gold has been caught up in a tight range. Note how gold price gets rejected from the upper band of the descending channel. Immediate resistance comes at $1970–1985 level, which is once broken should take gold price much higher. The target for gold comes at the upper band of an 8-month major rising trend line, which I discussed in my previous videos. Unfortunately, gold wasted nearly a month at the lower band of the channel. My $2,100–$2,150 call is unchanged and can potentially happen until the end of June, provided that gold starts to advance next week. Although further delays could stretch time frame towards early July. Let's see. In any case, with FOMC meeting behind and Fed on pause, I believe gold is set to skyrocket over the coming month. Let's have a quick look at the silver. Silver broke out from a 3-year descending channel and presently retesting its upper band. Although it's not a clean retest as price remained below the band for several weeks. However, it is back above the channel, and if gold starts to move, then silver should follow the suit. A 10% rally in gold, taking it to $2,150 level, should advance silver 20% towards $29 mark. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.